UN General Assembly declares December 4 as International Day Against Unilateral Coercive Measures. The UN General Assembly has adopted a resolution declaring December 4 every year as the International Day Against Unilateral Coercive Measures. The resolution passed with 116 votes in favor, 51 against, and 6 abstentions. Countries from global north including the European Union, Australia, Britain, Canada, Japan and the United States voted against it. It urges all states to refrain from using unilateral economic, financial or trade measures that violate international law or the UN Charter. Such actions, it says, hinder economic and social development, especially in developing countries. The resolution aims to raise global awareness of the harmful impact of these measures. It also seeks to strengthen international cooperation and solidarity in addressing their consequences. The UN Secretary General is asked to ensure the UN commemorates and promotes the day as part of broader awareness efforts. All UN members, observers, organizations, civil society, and individuals are invited to observe the day and help spread awareness. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye.